What's up, guys? It's a beautiful morning. We're on our way into Wyoming, into Montana, to the Stoneville Saloon. And then we're gonna take you guys to the Devil's Tower. Gas. We still got about 90 miles to go. We're here at the Steel Wheel Trading Post. Check it out inside. This is what I meant by Sturgis is just on such another level than any other rally. We rode here, we're going towards Deadwood, towards Stoneville Saloon in Montana, and this is like 30 miles away from Sturgis, and you got bikes everywhere. I mean, look at this, everywhere. It just doesn't end. You could go literally 50 miles in any direction from Sturgis, or maybe possibly even 100. And there's just bikes everywhere. It's crazy. Yeah, look at these two beautiful bikes. I'm really, really loving this orange CVO. Huh? She's a beauty.
It is sweet.
Thing. Yeah. Drive on the right side. Wow. We're gonna go over here and take a photo by the sign. Seems like everyone is taking a photo by this sign. Look how many bikes, right? Everywhere you go. At the Stoneville Saloon. You guys could come check it out here in Montana, and from here I think it's about another 35 miles to get to Devil's Tower, so not too bad. So let's go check it out. tchotchke everywhere. Oh God. I didn't think it was that crowded either. It's pretty full in there. Oh my goodness.
They're starting to roll in now.
Sean, Minnesota, right?
Yep, absolutely, Minnesota.
All right.
Yeah. Cool.
Pretty wild. Did you just hear what Glenn said? I don't have to go to the bathroom, so I'm not going in there. But Glenn said the urinal has handlebars on it.
Yes.
That's if you gotta, I guess, take a dump standing up. You hold on to the handlebars.
So that when you're taking a piss, you can feel like you're riding.
Just make sure you point in the right direction.
Exactly.
That's all.
It tells you about your aim, too.
Oh my goodness. All right, we're off to the Devil's Tower. I think it's about 35 miles away. We're gonna go through Hewlett, I believe, and then towards the Devil's Tower. Let's go. Oh my God, this is so wicked, even from a distance. Look at that. God, it's called Devil's Tower Trading Post. We have another gift shop right there, and that's right there is the entrance where we're going to be going into. It doesn't even look real. It looks ridiculous, unbelievable. Wow, amazing. Look at this. Holy cow. This is like a mini Sturgis here. Oh my God, you got hundreds of bikes right there. All right, we're going up. It feels like somebody turned the oven on. That's how hot it got. So fast. Unbelievable, freaking cool, man. People climb that thing? What are they, nuts? You ready for this? Hello. I want to climb it.
You want to climb it?
Can I?
Yeah, you can. So do you actually want to?
No.
Okay.
Absolutely not.
Fair enough. It's a hot day out. I don't wave you.
No, I don't nearly have any skills for this. All right, thanks. Have a good day. Someone said there's one on the other side. Yeah. Thank you for your service.
Oh, you're welcome.
That is amazing. Here, you want me to take it for you guys?
Yeah, that'd be amazing.
Absolutely insane. Oh my God.
When there's an earthquake, pieces of it will fall off.
These rocks got to be about the size of them columns going up, don't they? What do you think?
That's probably what it was, falling off. Pieces fall off.
They don't look that big up there, but damn.
Crazy.
Massive. This thing's the size of a school bus.
If you're gonna climb, you need rope. We tried.
Oh yeah, you tried? You don't even sweat.
Do I look like a climber to you?
Do I look like a climber?
Shit.
I look like a smart ass,
I'm a
right?
sweater right now.
Unbelievable, guys. Come check it out. Definitely one of the cooler things you're going to see when you come to Sturgis. Absolutely amazing. Insane. Remember I told you guys when we came close to Devil's Tower, it got hot? Let me show you how hot. 101.3. That's hot. That is
We
wild.
haven't reached our quota yet that I got to charge.
Do they actually stay there while you ride?
This will be the second time. Usually they're on me.
Are you?
And I just got so hot in my cut, I was like,
No
fuck
kidding.
this thing's coming off. And I
That
was like,
is
because I usually
remarkable.
only put them up here to like change and
I've-
clothes. And,
I've never
you know.
seen this. This is so cool.
We're like famous.
They're famous?
I
Yeah.
guess, yeah, we're all over TikTok.
Oh no!
and
Oh no
social media.
kidding!
Oh, yeah.
Oh okay.
Yeah, it's pretty wild.
That is awesome.
No, you did right there. That's not for you.
That is remarkable.
Standard, you know.
That's wild. And did you have to like, I don't know, is there some training
No,
involved?
they're
or-
like rescuers.
Oh no kidding.
Yeah.
Is that why you got everything taped up over there? Or?
Yeah. For
Yeah.
the shit. No, not for that. For the
Oh, gotcha.
But when they're on you here,
Yeah.
the one on the bike actually like
I
does
just
that thing.
takes it
and
up.
It goes like right up and out. I watch it fly over. It's fucking
On everybody
hilarious.
else.
And I'm like, whoever's behind me, I'm like,
Gotcha.
but you know, they say it's good luck if you're.
Yeah,
sitting on by the road,
absolutely,
right?
absolutely.
I must have a bunch of good luck.
Thanks, Bobby. I appreciate it, man.
Right on.
Thanks, man. Amazing. Only in Sturgis, right?